segment there. We have Ronnie Solder going to the outside. Walking out of the side by leading the big figures as they come down, leading the front as they make their way down under the square wheel. What have we got there? We're just waiting.